Question number 12. Choose the correct answer. Area lying in the first quadrant and bounded by the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 and the line x equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Given equation of circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. This implies y square is equal to 4 minus x square and y is equal to under root 2 square minus x square. And its O and x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Given 0 to 2 and in first quadrant 2, 0 A and it's B, x, x dash, y, y dash. First quadrant OAB. So required area is equal to integration of 0 to 2 y dx, that is equal to integration 0 to 2 y is equal to 2 square minus x square under root dx, and we are using the formula a square minus x square dx is equal to x upon 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square. A square is 2 2s are 4 upon 2 and sine inverse x upon 2 and limit is 0 to 2, that is equal to upper limit is 2 upon 2, 4 minus 2 2s are 4, that will be 0, plus this is cancelled by 2 into sine inverse 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1, and lower limit that will be 0 is equal to 0 plus 2 into 1, that is equal to pi by 2, and this is cancelled, is equal to pi square units. Answer, that is option number A. Given equation of circle x square plus y square equal to 4 and y square is equal to 4 minus x square, y is equal to root 2 square minus x square, and required area is equal to 0 to 2, limit lies 0 to 2 y dx, and we are using the formula x upon 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 into sine inverse x upon a, and limit lies 0 to 2. We are putting upper limit, that will be 0 plus 2 into sine inverse 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1, minus we are putting 0, then this will be 0 and this will be 0, and we get 0 plus 2 into sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. 2 is cancelled and we get pi square unit. Answer, it's option number A. So option A is correct answer. And question number 13. Choose the correct answer. Area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x, y-axis, and the line y is equal to 3 is. Given y square is equal to 4x and x is equal to y square upon 4. X dash y dash. Line y is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. That is O, A and B. So required area is equal to integration of limit lies 0 to 3, 0 and y is equal to 3. x0, y3. This point is 0 and 3 and limit lies between 0 to 3, x dy. That is equal to integration of 0 to 3, x is y square upon 4 dy, which implies 0 to 3 limit and 1 upon 4 y raised to power 2 dy. That is equal to 1 by 4 into y raised to power 3 upon 3, limit lies 0 to 3. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 raised to power 3 all divided by 3 minus 0. Lower limit is 0. This implies 1 upon 4 into 27 upon 3. 9 3s are 27. That is equal to required area is equal to 9 upon 4 square units. Answer. Given y square is equal to 4x and x equal to y square upon 4 and its B, draw a parabola. Y is equal to 3, 0 to 3 and required area equal to limit 0 to 3 x dy. X is equal to y square upon 4 and 1 upon 4 is common. 0 to 3 limit y raised to power 2 dy. We are integrating y raised to power 2 dy, that is y raised to power 3 upon 3 and limit lies 0 to 3 and limit lies 0 to 3, that is equal to 1 by 4. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 upon 3 minus 0, that is 27 upon 3, which is divisible by 3. 9 3s are 27 and we get required area is equal to 9 upon 4 square units. That is option number B. Option B is correct answer. Thank you so much.